Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be making a cloud slime. So I made this little yellow slime with a few foam beads. And if you don't know how to make regular white slime, it's Elmer's glue, borax solution, lotion, and shaving cream. And then you knead it until it is not sticky anymore. So that's all I did. So to save some time, I already made the slime and added a few foam beads to do a little texture. Comment down below what you want to call this, what we should call this slime. I was thinking maybe banana split or, oh yeah, banana split, because cloud cream splits apart. So let's add our instant snow. And I only have a little bit, so we might have to mix a little bit from another slime. Have activator on hand because it's going to get a little melty from the instant snow. It might melt a little. I'm going to add a little lotion. The best place to get slime supplies is probably Target. Find the cheapest stuff, like the cheapest lotion. So I got this whole bottle of lotion at Target for like $3. So yeah. And I got a bunch of glue for like this much bottle of glue. 7 ounces for $1.75. So Target's a great place to shop. Yeah, I'm thinking of calling this lemon curd or banana split. Go with a little more lotion. We're at 80 subscribers by the time this video goes up. So please subscribe for more videos like this and to be featured in shoutouts. This is going to be called lemon curd because it has like texture. This is amazing. So since I don't have any instant snow left, I'm just going to leave it like this. So keep adding instant snow to make it more cloud-like. And I'm going to take in a little bit of a white cloud slime. So let's just take a little bit of this. So now this is more like a cloud slime. Okay. It's always nice to have white slime just hanging around because if you need like more of white slime, then it's just already made. Makes amazing swirls. Thanks for watching. Bye.